On to the next. What does a speedometer in a car measure? Well, if you were listening, that's going to be your instantaneous speed. And why is that? Because instantaneous, which I am going to abbreviate, is instant. So by abbreviating that, hopefully you can see that that is your instant speed. Speed at a specific time. Begin with the dots. Give me a break, man. Alright. Old. Test your understanding. What two instruments in a car can be used to measure the car's average speed during a long car trip? Alright, so think about your equation here. Average speed equals distance over delta t. So what two things in a car do you need to measure your distance and your time? Well, your odometer. Your odometer will measure your distance. That's the little thing that tells you how many miles your car has on it. You can also set it up to record certain trips. The newer cars will give you your fuel usage and your range using formulas. Very simple, just like this. And then, how are we going to measure time? Well, with a clock you would measure time. Maybe for the words, I need to just use this little text thing. Test your understanding. Police officer pulls over a motorist and says the motorist was going faster than the highway speed limit. The motorist states that the speed limit is 60 miles per hour and he left home at 4, travel 120 miles. That's exactly 6 p.m. right now. The officer gave the motorist the ticket, and the charge still held up in court. In a brief paragraph, explain the argument the motorist was making up in your own words, and explain what argument the officer made in that court case to hold the charge. Alright, so basically the motorist is saying his average speed is 60 miles per hour, and excuse me. There we go. So the motorist says my average speed was 60 miles per hour. Meanwhile, the cop says sometimes you were slower and sometimes you were faster. So you had to have been speeding at some time. There you go. That's it. I'm going to stop it there, make it short for you.